Most people agree that the most sophisticated electronic warfare fighter plane available today is the Boeing EA-18G Growler. The date of the EA-18G Growler's first flight, which took place at the Boeing plant in St. Louis, Missouri, 18 years ago, became significant in history. The EA-18G Growler prototype completed its first successful flight for an hour. The EA-18G Growler testing program continued after the first flight, with additional testing concentrated on the aircraft's electronic warfare capabilities. This include operational trials in realistic wartime scenarios, interoperability testing with other platforms, and jamming system integration testing. And after nearly 20 years of existence, the EA-18G Growler is currently only utilized by Australia, with the exception of being operated by the United States. According to its design, the Northrop Grumman EA-6B Prowler, which the U.S. Navy has been using for many years, will be replaced by Boeing's electronic fighter, the EA-18G Growler. Electronic warfare operations, including as disrupting enemy radars and communications, are carried out by the EA-6B electronic fighter. When the Prowler started to age in the early 2000s, the U.S. Navy needed a replacement with more advanced and adaptable features. Boeing used the F/A-18F Super Hornets airframe as the basis for the development of the EA-18G Growler. Benefits include maintenance, pilot training, and compatibility with current components. Despite being built on the Super Hornet, the Growler includes numerous adjustments made especially for electronic warfare missions. The Growler is outfitted with a modern jamming system, the ALQ-218, that can identify, detect, and destroy adversary communication and radar signals. In addition, Growler is equipped with an ALQ-99 jamming pod that enables it to efficiently block adversary radio frequencies. Apart from jamming, the Growler can still be used for limited combat operations, including as destroying enemy radars using AGN-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles and air-to-air missiles. The Electronic Warfare Officer EWO, tasked with operating electronic warfare systems, including jamming enemy radars and communications and launching specific weapons, like anti-radar missiles, has a tandem seat in the back of the EA-18G Growler. On September 24, 2007, the EA-18G Growler was initially delivered to the U.S. Navy. After going through a number of testing and additional assessments to make sure its performance met the military's criteria, it was then sent into operational duty. In September 2009, the Growler attained initial operational capability, indicating that it was prepared to fly combat missions. Additionally, Australia bought 12 EA-18G Growlers to bolster their electronic warfare capabilities as a top ally in the Indo-Pacific. Australia is working to strengthen its overall military capabilities and increase its interoperability with the U.S. Navy, and this procurement is part of that effort. Beginning in 2017, Australia received deliveries of EA-18G Growlers, which are now flown by No. 6 Squadron RAAF. During a training exercise in the United States in 2018, one of the RAAF's Growler aircraft experienced an engine fire accident on the tarmac. Fortunately, no casualties were reported, and the aircraft was deemed a total loss.